All right, in today's video, we are going to be going over the top tools. Yes, the top tools that you need to be using in order to create the best digital products. I'm talking about the products that are going viral. I'm talking about the products that are going to have people literally running to your website to purchase your digital products. So you definitely want to stay tuned in this video as we go over the top tools to use, so make sure you stay to the end because these tools are proven to help you create passive income and even help you make money while you're asleep. So, for the first tool, I want to introduce to you all Canva. Canva is by far one of the best design tools, and it's a must need if you are going to be creating digital products. Canva is super easy friendly, super user friendly, and super beginner friendly. Canva is also a free tool for people to use. They also have a free 30-day trial using the pro version, which is the paid version. But if you really, really want to maximize using Canva, go ahead and get the paid version. I think it's only about $13 a month if you round up, but it's so worth it because inside of Canva, you're able to have a massive library of templates that you can actually use to help you with creating digital products. I'm talking about social media templates, resume templates, ebook templates, coloring book templates. They have so many templates. So you see all of those social media graphics that you see online, that you see on all these different platforms, guaranteed they're created inside of Canva. Canva also has improved so much. They even have AI capabilities. You can create graphics inside of there. You can change your colors. You can add your logos. You can add your branding all inside of one platform, which is the great thing about Canva because you can do all of this in one platform without ever having to go anywhere else. So Canva, you need to add that to your list because it's a must-have when using and being able to create digital products. Next on the list is one of my favorites, which is ChatGPT. You heard it correct. ChatGPT, if you don't know, is the artificial intelligence tool, also known as AI. And ChatGPT allows you to do so many cool things, even in the free version, which right now we're on the free version, ChatGPT 4, but it allows you to make so many things. Think of ChatGPT as a personal assistant. Think of ChatGPT as a person that works for you and your business that you employ, because that's exactly what ChatGPT is. And all ChatGPT is, it's a tool for you to be able to utilize so you can help yourself as you're creating your own digital product. So for instance, inside of ChatGPT, you're able to give it a prompt and say, hey, ChatGPT, I want you to help me create 30 content ideas for my digital product. And what ChatGPT will do is give you a list of 30 content ideas that you're now able to utilize for your specific digital product. It is such an amazing tool because you're able to actually allow it to create something for you, and it creates it in less than a couple seconds, which is awesome because historically, you had to come up with all of this on your own or hire expensive copyright designers, a bunch of people to help you do this. But what I do want to say is, let me just give you a little tip. Make sure that you're not using ChatGPT for what it says verbatim. You want to be able to add your own voice, your own tonality, and your own brand voice inside of there, which obviously at DMU, Digital Millionaire University, we help you with all of those different things. We help you make sure that you're utilizing ChatGPT to its full effect, but you're also adding in your own brand identity so your customers can relate to you and they could keep coming back for more and more information. So go ahead, use ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments what prompts did you actually write inside of ChatGPT, and let us know what it helped you create, because you can create so many different things. And we want to see what you're actually utilizing and what you're doing with your digital products. Also, my next favorite tool to use when creating digital products is a tool called Midjourney. Oh my gosh, another AI tool, but I love Midjourney because it allows you to create so many different unique images, because sometimes when you're looking in different libraries or you're looking online for different photos or some of these free stock photos and websites that you see, you just don't get the image that you quite want to have for your actual audience to visualize and to see. So what Midjourney allows you to do is the same thing, very similar to ChatGPT is you can actually go in and write different prompts and it will create images for you. So you can create stock photos inside of Midjourney. If you're in the beauty industry, you can create wig models. If you are in to creating digital graphics, there's so many different things that you create. If you're a real estate agent, you can literally create an image for any business industry inside of Midjourney. And all you have to do is put in the exact words that you wanted to create, and it's going to create the image for you. It's by far one of the best image AI tools out here in the world. Yes, I said it, in the world. Midjourney is top tier. So make sure you're using Midjourney if you want to stand out from your competitors and your competition, and you don't want your course to look the same or your ebook to look the same or whatever it is that you're giving to your customers. Go ahead and make sure that you're using Midjourney because that is a great tool to use when creating digital products. Another tool that I want you all to get used to is a tool called Opus. 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 It's a great tool. So for all my people that creates content, just pay attention to this. Opus is a video AI tool. It allows you to take videos. Yes, I said it. YouTube videos, any video that you make, and you can literally upload the video to the site and it will break it out into shorter videos. So also known as short form content. That's right. And the great thing about Opus is that you actually can put in specific key words and it will actually clip the words from the video based on what you said inside of the Opus tool. It's by far one of the easiest tools and is super, super fast. And the biggest thing is you can actually put your own branding inside of Opus. So if you have certain colors, which we talk about all of that, again, brand identity inside of Digital Millionaire University, you can actually clip out those colors for your words to display in your brand colors when using Opus. So Opus is a wonderful tool. And the way that it works is simple. You record a video, you drop it inside of Opus, you say, let's just say you're talking about the best digital product. You go ahead and type in the keyword best, and every single time that you say the word best or that you say the word digital product, it's going to literally extract it from the video and add the words going across the video as you speak. So you don't have to manually do this because Opus is going to do it all for you. It's going to literally take out your words and make the video come to life. You see all these videos with the captions and the words going across. Yeah, Opus is a tool that can actually do that for you. And these are by far my favorite tools to use to create the best digital products. As a matter of fact, these are my top tools that I use to create passive income on a regular basis when creating digital products. They're very inexpensive. Some of them are even free. They have free versions, and you can use it literally to create any digital product that you want to create. But guess what? That's not the only thing. The best part about it is inside of Digital Millionaire University, we go over in depth how to actually utilize these tools to bring out the best digital products, the products that people want to buy, the products that people are going to be chasing after you to get because you now know how to create the best digital products ever. So if you like what you've heard and if you learned something new today, let us know in the comments. But don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and share this video out to as many people as you can, because we want you, but we also want your friends, and we also want the whole world to know that these are the top tools that you could be utilizing right now today to create the best digital products that people want to buy, and they want to buy them from you.